What are the major trading currency pairs? The 7 most traded currency pairs in Forex are called the majors. They are the euro per US dollar, the US dollar / Japanese yen, the pound sterling / US dollar, the Australian dollar / US dollar, the US dollar per Swiss franc, the US dollar / Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar / US dollar. The majors are often referred to by their nicknames: the euro, the yen, the cable, the Aussie, the Swissy, the Loonie, the Kiwi. Compared to other pairs, the majors share certain characteristics that make them very popular for traders. No wonder they make up about 80% of the traded volume on the Forex market. And those are the major currency pairs. Stay tuned for the next video that will explore another group of currency pairs, crosses,